Hello, today we are going to explore how we can connect Python with the Anylogic. So we can do this using the Pypeline library. This will enable us to connect the Python with the Java machine without actually converting the Python code into the Java code. So here in the Anylogic website, we can find what has to be done. So for the first thing we have to install Python 3 plus on our machine. So let's do that. Let's look for Python 3. Python 3 and let's download it. Okay, so once the download has completed, we are going to install it on our machine. So we are going to take the default one. Okay, so we have successfully installed Python. Let's see. Okay, so Python 3 is installed. Let's see the next step. So the location of the Python executable should be specified in the path environment variable. Okay, so I don't know what their meaning is saying right now, but let's see what happens after this. So we have to install the pipeline. It says that download the jar file of pipeline from its initial release pages. So let's see. Hmm, so here is the pipeline jar. How can we download it? Hmm, okay. Let's extract the pipeline jar. Okay, so I have done it. Let's take that and keep it somewhere safe. Um, Python. Okay, so the next thing they're telling us, place the file in a location where it won't be moved or suddenly deleted. Run any logic. Add pipeline to your workspace. See managing libraries. So let's see what's in the managing libraries. Okay, so we have to go to Anylogic and click plus in the bottom of the palette view and choose manage libraries. Let's see what's there. So inside palette, so here is a plus sign I'm saying. So here is the manage libraries. So I can see some libraries here. Mm, let's see, after that it says that to add a library to the workspace, click on add and choose the library from the open dialog box. Please note that if you want to open the library in the same Anylogic instance with the original model containing the classes of this library is open, you must close this model before opening the library. Okay. To remove a library from the workspace, okay, fine. So a new add pipeline to your workspace. Okay. So here I'm going to click on add and we are going to go to the destination where I just downloaded it. I saved the name as Python. So this is my pipeline jar. I can see it's here. So now I'm going to click on OK. Okay, so I can see the pipeline is here already. So that's the connection. We have to create a new model and drag and drop the Pi Communicator element from the pipeline palette into the diagram. Let's create a new model, Python, and we are going to drag the PyCom element into the main frame. Okay, so here's our pipeline. Let's see what else. Keep its default name PyCommunicator. Run the model. In the model window, click the PyCommunicator element. Okay, so everything will be left here by default, and I'm going to run it. Okay, so I can see auto detected Python at C and Microsoft Windows Python that exists from the Microsoft App Store, but non-Microsoft programs do not have executable permissions. Use a non-Microsoft version of Python. If you have one installed, configure your user path or disable App Store aliases to Python in your app settings. Okay, so they're telling me two things. So my Python is here. Let's see what can we do. So the location of C users. Um, uh, 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 updater local and then Microsoft Windows Python. Microsoft Windows and here should be Python. Windows apps Python. Windows apps. Okay, and here is a Python. Okay, so this was automatically detected, so we don't want that. So the file that I installed should be here somewhere. Hmm, Python. Okay, not here. Let's see here. Open file location. We are having a hard time finding out where we install the Python. So I'm just going to uninstall it and let's see if we can get the location here. Okay. Okay, so we have successfully uninstalled it and we are going to reinstall it. So it says we are installing it at C users app data local programs Python. Okay, let's choose some else location. Next, C program files Python 312. Okay, and we are going to install it. Okay, so setup was successful. So we installed it at program files, Python 312. So here is our Python. Let's run it on Anylogic again. Let's see if the error still exists or not. And we can see the error is still there. So let's see what we can do. So here saying that uh, okay, let's see the properties and compatibility, digital previous. Okay, let's try this. It is in C program files Python 312. So in the Py Communicator, let's try path, and we are going to specify the path of our Python installation file. So it's in C, it's in program files, Python local C program files Python 312. Let's see if we can extract the location from here. Mm, C program files Python 312. Python 312. Python 312. So there will be no space, and the name of the app is just Python in small letters. So let's try without this, and we are going to run it again. How about we try with the exe? Let's see if the error exists or not. Okay, so exe, let's keep the single slashes. Okay, program files. Okay, so I think it has to be a string in the double inverted comma. Let's try it again. And now we have no errors. So if we click on the Pi Communicator, we can see that it's running. So that's how we can connect Python with the Anylogic interface. Hopefully we learned a great information, and in the upcoming video I'm going to work on a model where the code is on Python and it will be run on the Anylogic simulation software. Okay, so until then, have a good day and looking forward to seeing you in the next video.